Hello guys, welcome back to Arty Vibes YouTube channel, and today is calligraphy class 3 and this is going to be so interesting. So before going to the topic, do subscribe our channel and also like this video. If any of your friends is interested in calligraphy, you can share this video to them. So first take the brush pen. Today I am not going to teach all the alphabets because it's not a good practice. While we write the words by seeing the Google some words, it will make the so good practice. So today I am going to write my name and show it to you. Okay, so while coming a thin stroke, while coming down thick stroke, and end with thin stroke. Okay, so this is simply like cursive writing. So then the connecting should be like this, near this. Okay, while coming down thick stroke and while coming up thin stroke. I have told this lots of time. See, just like the cursive writing, we are going to do nothing different. In the cursive writing we only use the thin stroke. That in this we mix the thin stroke, thick stroke and do this. So in the before classes we have learned drills and strokes. That is so useful for writing words. That is so enough. So I have written my name. So I am demonstrating it. Okay. So just like cursive writing, you write. There is no difficulty. While coming down thin stroke, while coming up thin stroke, then again coming down thin stroke, coming up with thin stroke. That's all. So while coming down thick stroke, while coming up thin stroke. Okay. So okay, you write your name like this using any color of brush pen and mail to the email ID given in the description. We will also see your artworks and enjoy. If anyone want to join in our Google Classroom, we also do the video tutorial in that. You can also join that and also post your artworks. For joining in the Google Classroom, there is a link in description. You can join using that. Okay guys, so this is over. So I am going to write minimum. So minimum is a good word to practice, right? You can also search in Google, that will also tell. So just write with the thin and thick stroke. Joining should be correct. Okay. So just like me joining, you can join like that. So this is so simple. You join with the middle. So simple, right? If you want how to connect your words, you can search in YouTube. There will be lots of videos. Because I am not teaching that, because it's not the beginner level. Okay. If you practice strokes and drills only, we can learn all the connecting letters in the next level. Okay. So at least practice minimum for 10 to 15 times so that it will be so useful to learn the strokes and drills and also the words. Okay, the another word I will write for you. So this will also make a good practice. So write yes. So just simple. Okay. And also if you refer my post in the Instagram, you will come up with good ideas. Okay, Sini. The last topic we are going to cover is while you write words, the words should be in a correct line, right? So for that there are 4 lines we have to do while writing all the words. So today for showing you I am going to do it. Okay. So up one line, then here middle, then last, like that. Okay. Here to here you can write small letters like A, like that, O, like that you can write, and for the tall letters it should touch here. Okay. See here, here, you start from here to here. You can put a small distance line, and for J, G, for etc. you can use here. See, like J we write, okay, like this. The up one is mentioned as X line, and here this line is ascender line, and this one is Y line, and this one is descender line. Okay, so these 4 lines are like that. First one is X line, second one is ascender line, third one is Y line, and the last one is ascender line, descender line. So thank you guys. All our topics is over. For your understanding only I have named all them. You can keep as A line, B line, anything of your understanding, that's all. Okay, so but in the calligraphy they have named as X line, Y line, ascender line, descender line, so I have teach that. So thank you for watching guys. Do subscribe this channel, and so we need your support. You like this video, share this video to lot of friends. In the description there is a worksheet link, then for joining in the Google Classroom, our Instagram page link, and the last one is say first class 1 video, class 2 video. Okay, you can keep all this as a make a note or save it as a file and keep. Okay, so this is going to be so useful for the beginners. Okay, so bye guys, we'll meet in the next calligraphy writing words tutorial. I'm now going to teach the words.